Hello students, let us start our new chapter, that is Introduction to Pharmacopoeias. So first we will see what is the objectives of today's session. So on completion of this session, you would able to know about books related to drugs and formulation, promote healthcare by establishing and providing the standards of quality, provide authoritative information for the use of medicine and the related articles. If we get any headache, fever, what do? We go to the doctor. What will the doctor do? Doctor diagnose and prescribe some medicines. What do we do with these drugs? We consume them. What would be the effect? Normally we get cured of the illness or the disease. Where from those drugs are obtained? From various manufacturing companies. How do manufacturing companies prepare these drugs? By using certain formulas or drugs and other substances. So the drugs and formulae are standardized in some standard books known as pharmacopoeias. So it is a book containing the standards of drugs and other related substances. So actually there are two, that is pharmacopoeias and formulary. We will see the meaning of these two words. These are also called as the drug compendia. So first we will see the definition of the pharmacopoeia. The term pharmacopoeia comes from the Greek word pharmakon, means drug, and poio means to make. So the proper definition of pharmacopoeia is an official book published by the government of country. It contains list of crude drug. Crude drug means it is obtained from the natural origin. Medicinal substances, formula for making the medicinal preparations with detailed information with respect to taste, description and their standards. So this is the complete definition of pharmacopoeia, and it can be asked for 1 mark. So this is very important as far as your exam is concerned. So this slide is important. Then the classification of book. So these are the official compendia. Already we have seen that pharmacopoeias and formularies are the official compendia. So this is the example. This is the British Pharmacopoeia. This is the Pharmacopoeia of India. This is for our country, or this is the book, standardized book of our country. That is a Pharmacopoeia of India. Another name, that is a drug information for the healthcare professional. Then the European Pharmacopoeia. So description of these preparations are called as the monographs. Collectively these books are also known as a drug compendia. The drug compendia are classified as official compendia and non-official compendia. Official and non-official compendia. So first we will see what is the compendia. Official compendia are the compilation of the drugs and other related substances which are recognized as legal standards of purity, quality and strength by a government agency of respective countries of their origin. Means every country has their own standards. Official compendias include British Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia Codex, Indian Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, Pharmacopoeia of other countries and national formulae. So all these are called as the official compendia. So these are some names of the official compendia. So see these books also. Then what is non-official compendia? The books other than the official drug compendia, they are used as a secondary reference source for the drug and other related substances. Example is the Merck Index, Extra Pharmacopoeia, Remington's Pharmaceutical Sciences, The Science of Practice of Pharmacy. So these are the non-official compendia. So in this class we have discussed about the meaning of pharmacopoeia and importance of pharmacopoeia, various books related to the drug formulation and the related products, how they are useful. So these are some questions you should answer that. Pharmacon means drug, poio means to make. Name the official pharmacopoeia, that is the Indian Pharmacopoeia or Pharmacopoeia of India. Whether all countries have their own pharmacopoeias? No. There are some countries which are not having their own pharmacopoeia. They depend on the other countries. The word pharmacopoeia is derived from which? That is the Greek. The name non-official compendia, so Merck Index is the non-official compendia. Past pharmacopoeias include therapeutic uses, standards for purity. So answer is the therapeutic uses. So these are some frequently asked questions. Define pharmacopoeia, list various pharmacopoeias, what are the objectives of the pharmacopoeia. So I will stop here. So this is the end of the today's session. Thank you.